It's March the 26th, 2011, and here in St. Louis we're having what I hope is our last big blast of winter. In other words, winter's last hurrah. This is the last hurrah for the winter of 2011. Looking down my street here, as you can see, it's still snowing. Some wet, heavy snow. I'll slowly pan around and show you what we've got here. We just got back from running errands and doing some running, so that's why the car here doesn't have any snow on it. Now the house here, there's plenty of snow up on the roof. You can hear the water running into the sewer where the snow is melting. Being so heavy and wet, and temperature actually 33 degrees. As you can see, my truck here has got quite a bit of snow still on it because I haven't taken it out today. And looking south along our street here, you see still quite a bit of snow. Of course, it's slushy on the street where cars are beating it down. But this is looking at the front of my truck. You see, it's pretty much covered with snow. Looking down the side of the house here. It's a bit windy and nippy, kind of blustery out here. They're saying it's quite a ways below normal as far as temperatures for late March, even up here in St. Louis. Here I am standing in front of the house, looking down the street. It's really quite a winter wonderland for springtime. This is what you have. It's supposed to get up 41, I think they said, tomorrow. Hopefully that'll melt most of this, particularly if the sun comes out. Maybe by the end of the week it'll be up again like springtime temperatures, 70-something degrees plus. You can see the trees here already started to bud out, but the snow is hitting the trees. And you see any spots on the lens, that's because of snowflakes impinging on the lens of this camera. Here comes a car. At least driving and not getting around is not too bad, though. Misty. Misty. There you go. You're enjoying this too, aren't you? Aren't you enjoying this too, Misty? Misty. Now we're back inside where it's really comfortable, nice and cozy, about 72 degrees. It sure beats that 33 degrees and that blustery wind blowing outside. As you can see, the pools here are not the place to be in this kind of weather. Snow's still coming down for late March. Let's pan on around here and take a look here. They said we're supposed to get another, I think, 3 to 4 inches by morning because this is coming down from the north. Hopefully this will not get any worse than what they said. I'd hate to be driving somewhere north here, like heading up to Milwaukee or somewhere like that, or Chicago. We do have some friends, you know, a friend of ours is headed home, coming back to St. Louis from, I think, Orange Beach, Alabama. But at least since she's not going any farther north in St. Louis, she'll probably be okay. But if I wouldn't want to be driving up north towards Chicago, because then you might drive into a heck of a mess. But I'll just kind of pan back around. That's my Siamese cat wanting attention. She's competing for attention. She's very spoiled. I've never seen one like her. Yeah, Misty, be quiet.